Earlier in the show, Stephen Alt said something really profound about the stock market being easier to look out 2 years than just a few weeks or a few months. It's all about emotions, right? Scuttlebutt, all this kind of stuff we get on a day-to-day basis. But in the long run, the cream usually rises to the top. And I'm sure that folks who never gave up on the SaaS trade or the software trade are probably like saying the same thing today. I mean, these names, some of them have made monster. This is year to date, and these are some of the names that were down a lot. The big question, of course, is this scare over? I'm going to bring in now Citi co-head of U.S. Software Equity Research, Tyler Radke. Tyler, I mean, my man, what's your feeling on just, I guess, how quickly they came back? I don't have a IGV chart in here, but essentially it's been just straight up, you know.
Yeah.
Is the coast clear, you think?
I wouldn't say we're completely clear, certainly not across the whole software sector. I mean, as you look at some of these names, what do they have in common? They are kind of more of those AI infrastructure plays. So the stuff that is helping customers do AI workloads, that kind of thing, stuff that was mentioned from Jensen at NVIDIA at their conference last week. So the names we like are the names that are tied to this AI infrastructure stuff, the data layer, much more than the application or traditional software.
So let's talk about one name that is benefiting big today with Jensen is Microsoft. You already had a buy on it, though. What's interesting is I haven't heard a lot of good things with Copilot. People seem to be pretty disappointed with that, but that news today with Jensen was huge.
Yeah, and I think it's getting better, right? What did we see from Copilot last quarter? The growth is starting to accelerate their Office business, right?
Okay.
So I think that's super important. We're seeing it in Azure. Now you're seeing AI show up in their Office business. It's taken a little bit longer, right? I think we would have thought it's a little bit further ahead, but we think they're accelerating the pace of innovation, and this is going to be a good stock for the rest of the year.
Snowflake, AI inflection arrives at first quarter there. This is one of those names that has been executing.
Yeah, I mean, Charles, it was up 40% after they reported, right? And I think this shows when you have the right business model, which is a data infrastructure consumption model, you get an AI product right, there's a lot of demand for these types of names in software. Snowflake, Mongo, those are some of our favorite ideas in the space right now.
I got to ask you, ServiceNow, you do have a buy on it. Again, I'm down, my subscribers are down, but golly, this move, I mean, this is a parabolic move. On the verge, maybe of taking out the 200-day. Everyone says this is about the CEO. I mean, listen, it's a great company, but the CEO is what separates them. What is it? Why do you keep it? Why did you keep it as a buy?
Yeah, so I think if you look at ServiceNow versus the traditional software companies, if you're comparing them to Salesforce, to Workday, whatever, they're still growing, 20%, right? Despite all this uncertainty, despite a chart that looks like this, their revenue is growing very rapidly. I think they are still in a good place in terms of their enterprise customers that they work with. They have an innovative product organization that can build a lot of good products and a really good CEO at the helm.
You talked about Mongo already, strong beat, and they raised. This one I want to talk about Nebius because, we've had it on the show for a couple years, and when some of the guys who started talking about it, no one ever heard of them, and now almost every day I see more and more Wall Street firms jumping on the bandwagon. The story sounds absolutely phenomenal, but you call it high risk. What is it about the high risk part? It's a buy, but a high risk buy.
Yeah, I think it's just a measure of the volatility. As you can see, the stock has been up and down a lot, certainly up pretty vertically here. But I mean, this is one of these, they call them neoclouds, right? I think what Nebius is doing is a bit more differentiated. They're adding a lot of software in it, and it's not just taking business from the hyperscalers. There's a lot of like real enterprise clients. If you think about some of the large cybersecurity vendors, large e-commerce vendors, they're all Nebius clients.
CoreWeave is a competitor.
Yep.
And you have a high risk buy on them as well.
Yeah.
Palantir, late last week, started to look a lot better. It's one of these names I just don't know. I mean, everyone who knows that company well says it's not your traditional software company. It should never have been down the way it's been down.
Yeah. Well, I think both are some of the fastest growing companies in our space. And again, for the case of CoreWeave and Nebius, right, we're in a market where demand is massively exceeding supply. So you want to own the people giving that supply. Palantir, I think they are sort of the closest in the public markets, at least in software, to an Anthropic or OpenAI, right? Almost 100% revenue growth, but profitable, 50% free cash flow margins. They're not spending a lot of money on training. I think as the big enterprise companies around the world adopt AI. Palantir is going to be a part of that.
Elastic I used to watch. This is a name that just jumps on my radar from time to time. But again, when it collapsed, I kind of like gave up on it. But last week it jumped back on the radar. What do they do?
Yeah, so they're in marketing software. This is kind of in the B2C space, right? So if you're a big brand like Disney or a large retailer, you would use Braze to help do that real-time personalization. Right. So you think about the text messages, the push notifications you're getting on the phone, all that's getting a lot more advanced with AI. They help orchestrate that, and I think are in a really good position. Could potentially get acquired. You're only talking about $1.5 billion, $2 billion of market cap. So a lot of money floating.
You look good for someone who's hiding out in the Himalayas, my man.
I appreciate it.
Good stuff, really. You are the best.